Hi guys. Okay, so to make your own bag toppers, Scrapdaworld here on YouTube has a tutorial. I will link that down below, and that's how I made these toppers. Basically, you could get any shape or design. Like for instance, the unicorn head, a heart, and the rainbow is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Um, I'm on my silhouette, my cameo silhouette, or is it silhouette cameo? 3. So your design space might be a little bit different than mine or updated because I have not updated mine. So yeah, I feel like with any update there comes issues, so I never updated it. Um, so you will get these 3 toppers, and the shapes that go on the top right here of the front of the bag are separate because you're going to cut the base and then your topper pieces. So you could just pick any colors of cardstock that you have, mix and match, and do all sorts of fun, crazy designs. I'm going to do the unicorn head and the heart in like a solid pink, and then I'm going to do the unicorn head in like a rainbow style, and then these 2 designs I'm going to do gold foil. So depending if you use the 12 by 12 sheet of paper, you can fit all 3 designs if you're doing them all the same color. Like I said, I'm only doing 2 of them as a pink sheet. So everything's in the red line, as you can see. Hold on, let me get out of the... So this little fill color up here, this is the normal screen that I'm usually on. And then when you're ready to cut, come over here to this, looks like a knife or a pen setting. My cameo is very like temperamental. I don't know if everybody's is like that. Commonly used, I just click cardstock. I bump the blade depth up to a 4. I always cut cardstock at a 4. An automatic blade, because that's what it comes with. The speed, since this design is not very intricate, like versus this geometric heart over here, I can cut this stuff pretty fast. So I like to stay at like a 7 or an 8, so I'll do an 8. Thickness for cardstock, I stay at a 23. And then once this is all like this, and your paper is stuck on your little your mat, and your mat is loaded. Okay, so once you have your paper loaded onto your mat, I really try to get all the use out of this mat as much as I can. So it's very, it's dull, it's not sticky. So I just tape it down with painter's tape because it usually doesn't tear the paper. If I use like Scotch tape or something, it'll rip the paper. So you just line it up on the edge, right here, the mat. So like that, and then hit load. So now it's loaded, and I will go to the screen and show you how to cut it. You're just gonna hit send to silhouette. And that's it, starts cutting for you. I'm going to show you how to, it's pretty easy, but to make some bag toppers. I followed Scrapdaworld's YouTube video. She did a tutorial on how to make your own like little treat toppers for goodie bags and stuff, like for instance like this. So the paper I chose on this could be double-sided, but I am going to use the rainbow side. First things first is you could either, just fold it in half yourself, or because I don't trust myself, I'm gonna just score it down the middle so that I have a line so that I for sure know that's the center. So right now it's folded in half. Okay, so it would go something like this, your little bag topper, and it can go on, something like the bag can be bigger or it can be the same exact size as this, just depending on what bags you have. I will link down some of the bags I get on Amazon. I cut my papers out. These are like the actual toppers. Cut 2 of them in pink and this one in rainbow. And then the designs to go on top, I cut mine in gold foil, pretty gold foil, the rainbow in a gold foil, and the unicorn head in like a rainbow like design, which I think looks super cute. And I'm just gonna glue all of these on like this. And that's it. So basically you're just cutting this piece and then the topper piece, whatever color you want. You can make this patterned paper, this solid, or vice versa. This, you know, it's totally up to you. I designed these ones, so I will share them in the link down below for the silhouette file. You just download the link and then it, you know, pops up on your silhouette, and there you go. And I like using the art glitter glue because it dries crystal clear. Okay, my video cut out, but so I have the rainbow, the heart, geometric heart, and the unicorn topper. You could just leave them like this and they are super cute, but I'm gonna embellish one of them and then I'll like make it fast paced. So these are all just recollection stickers, or not stickers, flowers. I mean, they are sticky. These were clearance. These are from a D stash. Okay. But I am gonna glitter up these edges. This pen is from Tuesday Morning. It's the same exact thing as Winka Stella, as you guys may have seen on my like review of like which one I loved. I wonder if you could probably add a jewel as like an eyeball, like a gemstone. You can add trim right here. I mean, possibilities are endless. Okay, so no for the antennas. Okay, so this is my topper, little unicorn topper, little simple heart one, and this rainbow one. Super cute. Magical, right? Like I said, the links are down below. You should open up once you download it into your silhouette. If you have a Cricut, I'm pretty sure, because the files are like this part and this part is separate, like in the design, that you could just trace it in your Cricut and do the same thing and then, you know, resize it how big you want it. So like 3.5 inches wide at the widest part. All right, bye guys, catch you on the next video, and I hope to like bring a lot more cut files for free because now I know how to share them. All right, bye guys.